Now, the other thing I've done today is I've connected this extra tank to my compressor. I'm testing the ability to hold air right now. Doesn't appear to have any leaks, but that works. This doesn't, so I've got another one to put on it. I don't think it works. It might work, but I don't trust it. I can't see the numbers through that old lens, but I've got another one to go on it, so it's not a big deal. And those are the two things that I've done today. And may do some more, but I don't know yet. I'm old and I'm tired.